To our friends at Luther Family Ford for providing this awesome view of cloudy and gray close to the work week. We cooled off a little bit, but hey, our temperature is still above average for this time of the year. A look at our conditions at Hector International shows wind is fairly light. It's under 10 miles per hour, but we still have these feels like temperatures that are down in the teens right now. It's 26 degrees on the thermometer under cloudy skies. We have 28 at Moorheads Airport. Elsewhere, as mentioned just moments ago, the warm spot up near Roseau, 30 degrees there. It's where you want to go to head up to warm things up a little bit. Baudette, Bemidji, well, low 20s there. Same thing, low 20s in the Devil's Lake Basin at this hour. Here's that cool freezing line that's dipped all the way down into the Rockies of southern Colorado. So there's the cool pool of air with the mild air shifting off into the southeast United States. Along the boundary between these two air masses, we have unsettled weather taking place. Take a look at this. A good old-fashioned winter weather event taking place in Nebraska with heavy rain out ahead of it on the warm side of this system in places like Missouri and Iowa. Look at the heavy rain out here, not far from the Quad Cities, Waterloo and Des Moines. Omaha, still getting rain, but just off to the west, there's bands of moderate to heavy snow taking place there. That system stays to our south, but we are on the cloudy and cool side of this system. Not so much windy, though, either, so there are some things that we can smile about. Heading into your evening tonight, please watch out for areas of patchy, dense fog. At times, we could have visibilities under 2 or 3 miles, and maybe even in a few places lower than that. So the evening, because of the clouds and the soupy air, is not going to cool quickly, but slowly, in the 20s by 10 o'clock. Overnight, a few of us will dip down into the teens, but many of us will have a temperature at daybreak. I've paused this at 7:30 in the morning, so as you're waking up and getting ready to start your weekend, low clouds and some fog will continue on a soupy start to your Saturday morning once again. But look at the temperatures for most areas, near 20 degrees, a few teens in central Minnesota. All right, your Saturday early hours. We'll see a few breaks in the clouds, but I'm afraid we'll see more clouds than sunshine. The wind should be light and temperatures still in the 20s, so slow to improve. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see temperatures climbing into the upper 20s. To kiss that 30-degree mark is the best we'll do. It looks like another cool day, but the trend toward the latter portion of the day here is a little bit of a drying one, and we should see fewer clouds as we close out our Saturday, but that won't stick around because we have a chance of a few flakes in the forecast to talk about for Sunday. We'll do that in just a second. In Fargo, tomorrow on your Saturday morning, 20 degrees to start. We warm it up to near 30 in the afternoon. A few peaks of sunshine, but not really persistent or consistent sun for our day. Mostly cloudy across our region with a few spots in the partly cloudy category with highs in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees for all. Look at this guy. Who, you ask, captured this one? Well, Faye, of course, in the Thief River Falls area. Thanks for uploading this awesome owl. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Sunday, just a 20% chance of some very light snow wiggling through the area with a weather system. 28 degrees as we cool off on a breezy close to your weekend. Then next week, it does look like we'll see cooler weather with morning lows in the single digits north and teens south. Highs only in the 20s, but this is December-like for this time of year. We are watching a chance for some light snow on Wednesday and again on Friday, but Callie, other than that, you know, no big or real wet weather-making systems like the one that's moving through the Central Plains on the docket for our planner here.
Oh, well, you're just getting so lucky.
We'll take it.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.